welcome back. I hope you're having an awesome day today. So today I need to clean out this refrigerator. Clean it out and clean it. So my kids, as you can see, they like putting, there's a plate back there and I have all these leftovers. So I need to clean these out because I have to do a Walmart pickup order for groceries today. So I just want to clean all the shelves, get rid of anything that we are not eating or that is not good. So this is my project today. So hopefully I'll be able to get it all done. Okay, so I just did a quick cleanup. Now I have a whole bunch of more space in here for when I do the groceries. So, and then the leftovers, see right here I have leftovers, they're like cucumbers, bell peppers, tomatoes. Those I can actually go and give to our chickens because they will eat them. So that's always good. So now I just need to go and do the Walmart pickup order. Okay, so we just got back from picking up our Walmart order. So we didn't get that much. So here, chicken nuggets, ground beef, and then we got all our salad stuff, bananas. I haven't tried these. These are like small cucumbers. And then little bowls, and then I got this, and it measures in tablespoons, teaspoons, ounces. I thought that was kind of neat. And then we got ketchup and somehow a very small bottle of ranch. And then sugar, ice cream, and then I've been making a lot of smoothies, so we're going to try this one. They were all out of the frozen strawberries. That for the breakfast burritos and butter, and then the tortillas for soft tacos and breakfast burritos. And then they were all out of the strawberry margarita, so they substituted for this one. But I use the strawberry one when I make strawberry smoothies. It just adds a little more flavor to it. And then the apple juice, the gravy, and I'm going to try this one, ranch. Never had it. And then cookies for the baby, chips for the guacamole sauce, and then these are banana peppers for salad. A big bag of cheese, because we go through cheese a lot. Some eggs, even though we have chickens that are laying eggs. A lot of them have been fertile lately, so we haven't been able to get any that we could eat. And then over here we got donut holes, which was a substitute, potatoes, and then I've been making the kids these little drinks to put in water. They're a bag of chips, Cheez-Its, crackers, all the bread. We've got French bread right here, and then of course the diapers, and of course they gave us the wrong wipes. But that's okay, we'll use them. So that's what we got on our grocery haul for the Walmart pickup. It's not a whole lot, but it will get us you know, through the next week or so. So now I'm going to put this away, and then we are going to head outside and go play. So we just put away all of the groceries from the Walmart pickup, and now we are outside hanging out in the sandbox for a little bit. To end this video and spend some time playing with the kids in the sandbox, and we will see you guys later.